Yeah, someone wanted to cut that bush down right there. The animals really like it. See, hey, there's a simple way how energies work. Like, that dude drove by, and it wasn't until the muffler end got towards the birds, and it drove them all away, all at once. So their ears must be so freaking sensitive. Ooh, look at that. See them all come up in there now? Their ears must be so sensitive that the muffler sound bothers them, and they can't stand it, in other words, so they all flew away. But that's a simple way energies work. Like, if you're next to a place that constantly makes large, loud, booming metal noises, you're probably going to have a tendency to be like, it's going to have an effect on your mind over time.